Now, this horizontal axis or x-axis shows the angles. This is 0-degree angle. This is 90-degree. This is 180, 270, and 360. Okay. So this x-axis will show the angles and y-axis will show the values. Okay. If we understand this, we study the graph. So you will know this graph is maximum is reaching maximum 1. Okay. This point I will show this point. And if you look this, if I draw a line from this one, you know, okay, so maximum 1, and let's check minimum. Minimum is negative. Okay, maximum. So what is the maximum value of this graph? Graph is sin x, that is the 1. And what is the minimum value? You can see this is minus. Okay.
-1.
Yeah. So here you can see this 90. 90 is reaching at positive 1. And here you can see this 270.
So 180 is at 0, sir?
Yeah, 180 is 0. Okay. This 270 negative 1. Okay. You are right. This 180, this 180 0. This 360 is also 0. But one more thing. Like, okay. So I will write here now for sin x. Is it clear now for sin x, this one?
Yes.
Now let's.
Yes.
We have
90 is at 1, right, sir?
Right. We have y equals to sin x. This is a curve. Okay. And now we are studying this in all this. This is 0-degree. This is 90-degree. First quadrant, this is 180-degree. This is 270-degree, and this 4 is 360-degree. Right? So its maximum value is how much? How much is the maximum value? 1. Okay. Minimum value?
-1.
Yes. Minimum value is -1. Now, next is the period. Is very important. What is the period? Period means, we look the nature of the curve. If you look at the nature of curve, okay, starting from the origin, this is the origin. Now from origin, the graph is increasing, going up, okay, increasing. Now when it reaches at 1, okay, this is the maximum value, then it start to decrease. Okay, at 180, this graph becomes 0. The value of graph becomes 0, and 180 onwards, look at this one. Okay, now it's going to be negative. Okay, and here at 270, this is -1, but here it start to increase. So 360 is 0 again. 360 onwards start to up. So 0 to 360. Okay, and if we look the graph after 360, it assumes same value as it start from the 0. So that's why this 360 will be its period. Okay, 360-degree. Understanding? 360-degree is its period. Okay, so we are knowing 3 things. One is what is the maximum value, then minimum value, and then period. Maximum value is 1, that is at 90-degree. Okay, this one we are getting at 90-degree. Minimum is -1. Sorry, -1. Okay, minimum is -1. So this is at 270-degree. Okay, and period is 360. So period means it is, you know, the property of the curve, right, or the cycle of property, right, from which it repeats itself. So 0 to 360, after 360, it shows same property as it is having at 0. Okay, is it clear? So draw this one. Now, guys, now look at this this example and look at this graph. This is 30 degree. Okay, this is 30 degree, right? And this is 150 degree. So 30 degree and 150 degree will are showing same value. So it means on the place of sine 30, you can write sine 150. I'm talking about the sine curve. So sine 30 and sine 150 will have the same value. Okay. So by looking at the cyclic nature of sine, we have one formula, sine x equals to sine 180 minus x. Okay. And we take question based on this.
Eric. Eric, kok aku dikacangin, Eric?
Okay. So
Aku dikacangin, cuy.
Eric, can you hear us? I don't think he's. Yeah.
is everything okay?
Yes.
No, we. Yeah. Well. Yeah. Whatever.
Okay, now let's redo the exercise question. Note down this formula. Sine x equals to sine 180 minus x. Okay, this formula. Note down. Okay, so let's do question number 1. Look at question number. For example, we have a sine 60 degree. Okay, so Eric, what we can write? Sine 60 means sine 180 minus 60. Okay, so this is sine 120.
So it's just like that, sir?
Yeah, only this much.
Oh, do I have to write or can I just write the answer, sir?
You need to show this working. This working is must.
The sine 180 minus 60, is that okay,
Yeah,
sir?
yeah,
Could I
yeah.
just show that?
Yeah. Okay, like sine 167. So this is, you can write sine 180 minus 167. So that will how much? And in 13 degree. Okay. And express each of the following terms of sine other angle. Question number 1 and 2 like questions. Okay.
Okay, can we do it by ourselves, sir?
Now you
Like-
do any 2 part from question number 2, like you can do one sine, you do part B and then you do F, B and or E, B and E. You can do B and then question number 2E. Okay, do these 2 parts yourself. And yeah, do it.
Okay.
So,
Right.
sir, we just need to minus them.
So if you look this one, this y equals to sine x. Sine start from the 0. Okay, start from 0 and y equals to cos x. This starts from the 1. This start from the 1. Okay, there is only this one difference. Otherwise, it's y equals to cos x. Otherwise, y equals to cos x. Maximum value is same. This is 1. minimum value is -1. Its period is 360 degree. Okay.
Sir, can I
Right.
ask you something, sir?
Yeah.
My scientific calculator,
Hmm.
I don't know where it is. So
Mhm.
currently I'm using an online one,
Hmm.
and I don't know how to make it sin -1 square.
So you can use your
You
phone
by
calculator.
any chance know, sir?
You can use your phone calculator.
I'm sure
Okay.
there's like a simulator online.
Yeah, aku pakai yang dari Google.
Sivraj, use your phone calculator. That's very simple how to use.
Yes, Shiv.
I don't think ada sin. Is there?
If that is not having inverse
Kau
function,
enggak,
then you will have to use the scientific calculator, the physical one. Okay.
Yeah.
in Google, isn't there sin costan calculator, Shivraj?
Yeah, ada, but I don't know how to make it -1.
Oh.
There will be no. There will be a function of sine inverse or arc sine, right? So there you can see the function because which Google calculator you are using. I
Okay, let
don't
me
know,
try.
but if you open there,
Doesn't
you can
work.
find out. Okay, now come
Just
to
gonna
this point.
press
Come to the point.
every button.
Now, what formula you have to use here? Cos x, very important. Cos x equals to
Oh yeah, I found it. Thank you, sir. Ada ini.
cos x equals to look here minus cos 180 minus x. See, guys, same formula. Only there is one difference. There is a minus sign. In sin x, we use sin x, sin 180 minus x. Here in cos x, we use cos x equals to minus cos 180 minus x degree. So only the difference of negative sign. Okay. Note down this formula. Okay. So now exercise, we move to exercise. This exercise. Yeah. Exercise 29.8. Question number 1. A. Like we have cos 20 degree. So I will write minus cos 180 minus 20. So minus cos 160 degree. Okay. And you guys try, it's E. Question number 1 E. Try cos 147. Okay.
Wait, is the first one 0.99?
So Khalila, how much you are getting? Cos 147?
Wait. Cos 147. I got minus 0.83.
0.838.
Eric, how much you are getting?
I
Pardon?
got something else.
Cos, yeah, cos 147. Simply, Khalila, look here, cos, use this formula, minus, then cos, then bracket, and 180
Oh yeah,
degree. In each case, Khalila, you have to write 180 minus, okay? 180 minus 147.
Okay.
And in rough, you see 180 degree and 140. Do subtraction. So
I got
3 and this
3,
7.
3. Yeah.
Yeah, 3. So this is minus cos 33 degree. Right?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Right.
Oh yeah. I forgot.
Question number 1 and 2 are same question. They are like question.
Oh.
Now question number 3. Question number 3. A. Question number 3A. This is minus cos 100 degree. Okay. But no problem. You just write this minus here and then rest same thing like cos x equals to minus multiplied by minus cos 180 minus 100. Okay. So minus minus plus, and this is cos 180 minus 100, this is 80 degree. Okay. So simply you can write cos 80 degree. Is it correct, this one? Minus sign is there. What you will write this minus sign here, but rest of things for cos x, for cos 100, you will like this formula, like we were doing cos 187 equals to minus cos 180 minus 147. Okay, after this one, guys, try question number 3e minus cos 122 degree. Do this. Question number 3, guys, understood? Don't get confused
Yes.
because of the minus sign in the beginning of question, okay?
Yeah.
So now how much you are getting for minus cos 122?
Wait, I'm calculating it right now.
Actually, I have another class, and in grade 12 they have entered my June class. So tell me quickly, please.
Yes, it is bell.
Sir, I don't know why my calculator isn't showing anything.
Anybody else? Any?
Cos
Tyler?
58.
58
Uh,
cos
Cos
58.
58.
58. Okay. So this means you will write, this is right, minus and then minus cos
So it becomes plus.
1, yeah, minus 122 minus minus plus and cos and 58, yeah, 58 degree, right? Absolutely correct. Cos 58 degree. Okay.
Okay.
Cos
Bye,
58
sir.
degree. Okay. So guys, you have to do the rest of question like this and complete exercise 29.7 and 29.8. Okay.
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 Wait,
So God
complete
bless you all.
Yes,
exercise.
sir.
Yes.
Exercise what,
Yes,
sir?
sir. Bye.